This is why you need to know how to perform a breast self-exam. Early detection can save lives. Let's learn this together. Step 1. Start by standing in front of a mirror with your shoulders straight and your arms on your hips. Look for any changes in the shape, size or color of your breasts. Step 2. Raise your arms and look for the same changes. It's important to be thorough. Step 3. Next, feel your breasts while lying down. Use your right hand to feel your left breast and your left hand to feel your right breast. Use a firm, smooth touch with the first few fingers of your hand, keeping them flat and together. Cover the entire breast from top to bottom, side to side, from your collarbone to the top of your abdomen, and from your armpit to your cleavage. Step 4. Finally, feel your breasts while standing or sitting. Many women find that the easiest way to feel their breasts is when their skin is wet and slippery, so this step can be done in the shower. Follow the same hand movements described in step 3. Remember, knowing your body is the first step to taking control of your health. If you notice any changes, don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider. You've got this. Stay healthy and stay informed.